Luna and the Magic Number Garden. Luna was a bright and cheerful girl who lived in the village of Number, where numbers danced in the wind and math was part of everyday fun. One sunny morning, Luna put on her explorer hat and skipped out into the Magic Number Garden, a special place where numbers bloomed like flowers. "Today," she said with a giggle, "I'm going to learn something amazing." As she walked through the garden, she found a small glowing sign that read, "To unlock the rainbow tree, you must learn addition, addition." Luna tilted her head. "I've heard that word before, but what does it really mean?" Just then, two number flowers popped up from the ground with 3 and a 2. They smiled and said, "Let us show you." Luna watched as the number 3 waved to her. "I have 3 apples," it said. Then the number 2 chimed in, "And I have 2 apples." "What happens if we put our apples together?" Luna thought carefully and placed the apples in a line. 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5. 5 apples, she shouted. "So 3 plus 2 equals 5, the garden sparkled. "That's addition," said the number 3. "It means putting things together to find out how many you have in total," added the number 2. Luna clapped her hands. It's like teamwork, numbers helping each other. The rainbow tree above her started to glow. The sign now read, 3 plus 2 equals 5. Addition unlocks new adventures. From that day on, Luna helped everyone in Number learn how to add, whether it was apples, stars, or even giggles. She knew that addition wasn't just math, it was magic.